When was the last time you gave your kitchen a real deep clean? Did you know there are some sneaky spots and habits that could be undermining your efforts? In this video, I'm going to show you common kitchen cleaning mistakes to avoid and some cleaning tips you can use so you can clean your kitchen like a pro. The good news is these mistakes are super easy to fix once you know about them. Number 5 took me by surprise, y'all. I didn't see that coming, but that transformation is worth waiting for. Stay tuned to find out. Let's do this. Number 1 is not decluttering first. Cleaning around clutter is like trying to vacuum while your kids are scattering crumbs in real time, or just trying to clean around obstacles. You get the picture, right? I'm just trying to say it's hard to clean thoroughly when there's stuff everywhere. So before you start cleaning, take a few minutes to clear countertops, put away dishes, and remove any unnecessary items. This is a rule of thumb in the house cleaning world. I tell you, once the clutter is gone, it feels like you're already one step ahead, and it will motivate you to keep on going. What's the weirdest thing you've found while decluttering? Share in the comments below. Number 2 is counter gaps, the area between the stove and counters. This narrow space is one of the hidden messiest part of the kitchen, but often gets skipped during cleaning. If for some reason in your cleaning routine you are not due for deep cleaning the kitchen, where you pull the entire stove and clean under the stove or the sides of it, here's a cleaning hack that will help you clean this overlooked spot. Grab a tightly squeezed microfiber towel that has been soaked in dish soap like Dawn, then wrap it around a dinner knife like this one here and drag it along to clean. Repeat as needed. Look at that. Ew, this is so gross. Do the same on other hard-to-reach areas on your stove. Prevention is better than cure, right? An even better option is to install a counter gap filler strip to seal the space. This will prevent future buildup and save you time. Work smart and not hard, my friend. Number 3 is cabinets above the stove. These are often forgotten during cleaning, and they might look clean from afar, but up close they are covered in grease and grime. Look at that, not good at all, right? Here's how to clean them. First, start by dusting your cabinets. I recommend using a Swiffer duster for this task like this one here. This step helps get rid of loose debris that's stuck to the grease. While it won't remove all the dust, it will reduce some of it and make the cleaning process easier. Next, fill a bucket with warm water and put a few drops of dish soap. Then dip your microfiber towel in the soapy water, wring it out, and wipe down your cabinets. Rinse the towel and repeat as needed. Or you can use crud cutter like I'm doing here. Let it sit for a few minutes so it can start breaking down the grease. You can work in sections so the product doesn't sit on the surface for too long. Step number 3, wipe the cabinets. Take your damp but not dripping microfiber towel and start cleaning from top to bottom. As you go down cleaning, pay attention to these cabinet crevices or grooves because dirt loves to hide there too. A good small cleaning brush will do the trick. Number 4, final wipe down. Fill your bucket with clean warm water and then go over the cabinets and rinse thoroughly with a damp but not dripping microfiber towel. Now use your dry microfiber towel to dry and give the cabinets and handles a nice polish. That's it. Your cabinets will look good as new without any scrubbing. Count me in. I've already covered this topic on another video. Check it out here to learn more. Before I show you another surprising cleaning mistake, let's talk about number 4 mistake, that is keeping cleaning on top of your mounted microwave, especially the one located by the stove. See what I mean? Not good at all. This part is a magnet for grease, steam, and dust settles there like it's on vacation. Nope, we don't want that. Here's a quick fix. Degrease the area by using a damp cloth with a little dish soap, or spray a good degreaser like crud cutter and let it dwell for a minute, and then give the area a good wipe down. See how the grease is coming off just like that. Next, fill your bucket with plain warm water, then rinse with a damp but not dripping microfiber cloth. Finish with a dry microfiber cloth to prevent streaks and water spots. Even if your microwave isn't mounted but sits on the counter, the top will still accumulate dirt, so simply dust it with a Swiffer duster or dry microfiber cloth. For a deeper clean, use a multi-purpose cleaner or a damp microfiber cloth dipped in soapy water, then go over the area with a dry cloth to polish. That's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Did you know I also did part 1 of kitchen cleaning mistakes? Check it out here to learn more. Number 5, kitchen sink edges, the area where the sink meets the countertop. This is what I was talking about earlier. So while we often clean the inside of the sink, we tend to neglect these edges because they are out of sight, but they do collect a lot of grime over time if not cleaned. Let's figure. Come along with me. Grab your dish soap and a small cleaning brush and get into those tight spaces. Look at all this dirt. Ew, not good at all. It looks like medium ground coffee though. So once you're done scrubbing, rinse everything with warm water and dry it off with a microfiber cloth. You'll be amazed at how much fresher your sink feels when you give those edges some love. When was the last time you checked yours? Please do after you binge watch at least 5 of my videos. Thank you. I appreciate that though. Yeah, I mean it. I have more of these videos on this topic. I'll put the link in the comments. Go check it out. Number 6, another often neglected area in the kitchen is the cabinet sideboards, as you can see here. These areas can accumulate grime and even cobwebs over time. Not good at all. Makes me cringe. To clean them, use a microfiber towel dipped in soapy water or use an all-purpose cleaner of your choice. If these sideboards are dirty like mine here, you can use this Scrub Daddy all-purpose cleanser to clean the area. Look at that day and night difference. You can try this at home. Which of these mistakes hit a little close to home? And did I miss any sneaky spots that drives you nuts? Let me know in the comments below. Number 7 is not cleaning kitchen light fixtures, especially those above the sink or near cooking areas. These are missed when cleaning and often accumulate a thick layer of grease, grime, and dust thicker than grandma's gravy. These not only make your kitchen look dirty, but also dim the lighting, which is not good. Nope, we don't want that. To clean your light fixtures, start by turning them off and let them cool down. Then dust so you don't spread dirt around and make the whole process harder than what it is. Next, gently wipe them down with a damp cloth and few drops of dish soap. For stubborn grease, you can use a degreaser like crud cutter, especially on glass fixtures. If your light covers are removable, carefully take them off and wash them in warm soapy water. Dry them thoroughly before reattaching. By cleaning your light fixtures, you can keep them shining bright and your kitchen looking its best. You're welcome. By avoiding these common cleaning mistakes and adding these simple fixes to your cleaning routine, you'll keep your kitchen cleaner and more inviting. A few extra minutes of attention can make all the difference in maintaining a fresh and hygienic kitchen space. Which of these tips did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. Check out the next video I suggest next for more valuable content and share this video with people in your life. Until next time, take care of yourself, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.